Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View for the weekend in association with Petzl. Plenty of snow to come over the next day and a bit across the eastern side of Scotland. We have gale force easterly winds extensive through the Highlands on Friday, severe gales across the higher mountains, powerful gusts downslope toward the western side of higher summits. It'll turn more to sleet or to rain at the lowest of elevations, particularly near to the central belt, and early snowfall across the southern uplands will become more sleet and rain as well. Northern England will see those temperatures drifting up above freezing point to the higher tops, some thawing developing, but do be aware of icy conditions and considerable lying snow across the tops in the lakes and the Pennines. Some rain then on and off across Wales and into the Peak District during the day. The wind speeds lighter here, but some gusty conditions around at times. Taking that sequence forward, snowfall will keep going on across eastern parts of Scotland through the afternoon and evening during Friday, getting heavier further north as well into areas running inland from the Moray Firth, all the while very little reaching more western parts of the Highlands with just a few flurries from time to time. Continuing heavy snowfalls around the Cairngorms, areas near to Glen Shee as we head through the night. This is onwards into 3-hour time steps into the start of Saturday, so a snowy picture to greet Saturday morning across these northeastern areas. The freezing level will tend to drift upwards through the daytime from the south, initially 600 metres or below across more northern regions, but going up towards 1,000 metres or above from the south with time, so a mix of sleet and rain at lower elevations, if anything fizzling out a bit during the daytime to leave some drier conditions, but some snow and sleet continuing across the far northeast. Saturday's strongest wind speeds will be towards northern areas in the morning, where still gale force for a time, otherwise lowering speeds as southeasterlies for many places, a bit gustier out toward the west of Wales though. A generally drier and somewhat brighter day for many places. A lot of cloud left behind though, which will cover many of the hills, especially in southeastern parts of the Highlands to quite low elevations. A few breaks developing toward the western side of the Highlands and local breaks for England and Wales, typically north and west of the major hill groups, but plenty of cloud, bits and pieces of drizzly rain in places and a few showers coming in to the southwest of Wales. Showery conditions may just become a bit more widespread over Wales by the end of Saturday afternoon, and then as we run the sequence on, we're watching what's developing over France, as there's quite a complicated weather system just pushing toward the North Sea, and many model indications keep that feature out to the east of us as we head through into Sunday. One or two solutions bring that a bit further westwards across Britain, which presents the scope for some further rain and hill snow developing. If that feature does what it shows here and stays out toward the east, then it leaves Sunday with a generally bright day, with the risk of a few showers though, particularly in more western regions near to the coast in Scotland, and some showery conditions across Wales as well. These will follow some snow over the hills above around 700 or 800 metres, with the freezing level around 800 to 1,000 metres broadly through Sunday daytime. Some brighter conditions more likely further inland and eastwards. The wind speed's quite variable, could just strengthen as westerlies up to around 30 miles per hour or so during the daytime. Do be aware of icy conditions across higher tops, including where previous snow has thawed for a time, and extensive snow cover still across much higher terrain, especially in eastern Scotland. All your latest local information can be found on our website. That is your Fleeting View in association with Petzl. Thanks for watching.